Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got Yukon Gear and axle, upgraded Chrome-Moly axles for my Dana 30. I just finished doing a truss on it, rebuilding it, all new ball joints. And I figured since I have an LS4 Tech motor and I'm going to 35-inch tires and I have an aux locker, it'd probably be a smart time to upgrade the axles as well. Now, however, in the kit, if you plan on replacing the seals, you might want to buy the inner seals separately because the kit only comes with one seal that you need. The other kit is for the older versions. And it does have Spicer U-joints, and that's the model number right there, W24110 for XJ, TJ, ZJ. And I just unboxed the kit. Everything is on the bench, all nice and wrapped. Even comes with a sticker, Yukon Gear and axle. Nice protective cover on the spline so it does not get damaged. These are 27 spline axle. Very easy to assemble. And just unwrapping it. And what you're going to notice is that these shafts are different from other ones, especially the ones that I've been doing, because there's no groove for the C-clip. So these have like a half clip that go in behind the U-joint cup, where a lot of the ones I've dealt with always have them in the front to keep the cup from coming out the front. These lock them in from behind. So fast motion, I'm just going to show you B-roll here of setting in the U-joint. I'm just tapping the ear lightly with a hammer, just kind of get it down and pressed in. And can't really see right there, but I was installing the clip. And I'm going to switch to a different camera angle right now. I guess you can always slow it down if you really want, but once you get the U-joint cup in far enough, you can just push that clip in and it'll lock it in place. And now I got one side done. Do the same with the other side. Kind of get it set up. Can be kind of a tricky... I don't know what the struggle was there, why I was having so much issue trying to get it in, but I got it in. There you have it. Slide it into the Dana 30 housing. Look at that, it goes in. At this point in time, I put new bearings on and everything else. If I'm rebuilding it, I might as well do new everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.